Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to work smarter, not harder when designing in Figma, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create and apply text styles in Figma so you can achieve consistent, polished typography across all your designs. Whether you're working on a simple landing page or a full project with dozens of screens, having well-organized text styles will save you a huge amount of time and help you avoid messy, inconsistent formatting later on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up reusable text styles and apply them efficiently, along with a few practical tips to level up your workflow. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and direct your attention to the right-hand panel. Look for the section labeled Styles. This is essentially your design system hub. It's where you can store reusable settings like colors, effects, grids, and of course, text styles. Think of it as your personal style library that keeps everything consistent across your project. To create a new text style, click the small plus icon in the Styles section. Once you click it, Figma will ask what type of style you want to create. Go ahead and choose Text. Now you're setting up a reusable text style, which means defining exactly how a certain type of text should look across your designs. This could be headings, body text, buttons, captions, or anything else you use regularly. Start by giving your style a clear and descriptive name. For example, something like Heading 1 Bold 32 or Body Text Regular 16. Naming might seem like a minor detail, but it makes a big difference when your project grows or when you're collaborating with others. Clear naming helps everyone understand exactly when and where to use each style. You can also add a description if needed. This is optional but very useful in team environments. For instance, you might write "Use for main page titles" or for paragraph text to remove any guesswork. Next, define the actual text properties. Choose your font family first, since that sets the overall tone of your design. Then adjust the font weight and style depending on whether it's a heading, subheading, or body text. After that, set the font size. Larger sizes are typically used for headings, while smaller sizes work for body content. Right below that, you'll find line height and letter spacing options. Line height controls the vertical spacing between lines of text, which can dramatically affect readability. Letter spacing fine-tunes the space between characters, which is especially useful for headings or all-caps text. Take a moment to tweak these settings until the text looks clean and easy to read. Once you're happy with everything, click Create Style. That's it. You've just created your first reusable text style. Now, let's talk about how to apply it. Whenever you add or select a text layer in your design, head over to the Typography section in the right-hand panel. You'll see a small icon with 4 dots next to the text settings. Click that icon and a list of your available text styles will appear. Simply choose the style you created and your text will instantly update to match those settings. No need to manually adjust font size, spacing, or weight each time. One of the biggest advantages of using text styles is how easy it is to make global updates. If you ever decide to change your font size or spacing, you can edit the style once and every text layer using that style will update automatically. That's a huge time saver, especially in larger projects. And that's all there is to it. Creating and applying text styles in Figma isn't just about making your designs look good. It's about building a system that keeps everything consistent, scalable, and easy to manage as your work grows. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a like and drop any questions in the comments. And if you want more practical Figma tips like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.